What's up, guys? This is TampaTec, and this is my review on the Nebula Projector with stars, the laser lit stars. So right here on the top is the laser projector. This is the Nebula Projector. To turn it on, you press this bottom button. In the manual, it's actually the opposite. So the power button is on the bottom. Tap it once, and it turns on the laser and the projector. Now, if you press this button right here, it changes the mode. Press it once, turns off the laser lit stars. Press it again, turns off the Nebula Projector and leaves the laser lit stars on. And then press it again and they both turn on. This right here is the IR sensor, I believe. And then right here is the volume down and volume up. To turn it off, you just tap it. Type-C power connection right here. The power cable does not come with a power adapter. You need a 5-volt, 2-amp power adapter. And another thing it's really cool is that you can actually tilt it up, down, left, right. And the magnets are quite strong, as you can see. So right here is where the speaker is. So to turn it on, the power button is on top. Bluetooth mode. Now I'm going to show you how to connect the Bluetooth projector to your phone. Turn on projector, then scan, look for A01. If it's not connecting, make sure you press the Bluetooth button on the remote to set it in Bluetooth mode. You can adjust the volume using your phone or the projector remote. The speaker sounds pretty good, not too much bass though. And it does not come with batteries, so you're going to make sure you get 2 AAA batteries. And then this red button below the power button turns off the Nebula projector. And then this bottom button right here is for the stars, obviously, because it's labeled stars. And that turns off the stars. And then let's go ahead and turn on the projector. And then the S plus and S minus, that's to increase or lower the speed of the Nebula projector. And 1H and 2H is sleep timers, so the unit will turn off in those times. Bluetooth mode is BT. You can turn that off or on by hitting that button. There's also voice. So when I press the microphone button, it looks like it turns it on and off as well for some reason. I'm not sure why. Mode is preset modes right here. So you could just press that and it'll change different combinations of colors. Right here, you can lower the brightness on the projector or increase the brightness, which is pretty cool. B is for blue. White is to add white. And then red. And then green. So you could turn off the other colors, as you can see, and just have like just one color. See? So they basically turn on and off when you press the button. And then of course the circular pad is pause and play music, volume up and down, and forward a track and back a track. So let's go check out the colors. All right. So let me go ahead and turn off my flashlight and see what it looks like at night. All right, so that's what it looks like without the light on my camera. And as you can see, it looks pretty impressive. Let me go ahead and show you the whole ceiling. This room is a 12 by 15 room, I believe. So it fills up the whole entire ceiling and even the walls, as you can see. And so let's do some different mode combinations. So this is the preset modes on the bottom left. So I'm hitting the mode button on the remote. And here's one. And as you can see, it changes the speed. You can see it goes in and out, increases the brightness, lowers the brightness. It's very cool. The preset modes are actually great. They look fantastic. I'm really impressed. My son loves this gift. I got it for him for Christmas. And the remote, you don't even really have to aim the remote at the Astronaut projector. It pretty much works anywhere in the room. But the color, this is my favorite. It's like purplish, pink and purples. That's my favorite sequence right there. It looks amazing. Now remember, if you have anything hanging off your ceiling, it's going to cast a shadow, so keep that in mind. But It totally looks amazing. And if it's too bright for him at night, you can always lower the brightness. It's not a big deal. So like, look at that. It looks like storm clouds. You could play some music, like maybe like some rain or thunderstorm music on your Echo Dot, and then have this, in your room, and you really get immersed into that, in that atmosphere. Pretty amazing gift, actually. I kind of want one for my room. This is with the brightness all the way down. Looks like clouds. And then increase the brightness a little bit more, a little bit more. You can see more details. So if it's really late at night and you just want to, get some rest, you could just lower the brightness on the projector like that. Doesn't it look like, it looks like it's real clouds, right? Pretty amazing. Look at that. That's phenomenal. I think this is a great gift for anyone, and it's very inexpensive too. I highly recommend it, and he loves it. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, give me a thumbs up.